Hey guys! Hey guys, it is Typical Sauce, and today I will be showing you the kitten that I'm getting. This is another vlog 3. So, yeah, let's get into it. Just look at them. Just look at the pretty kitties. Hi, Mama. He's got some food and, some water. Let's actually go. I need to go get this cat some more water, actually. I will. Alright. Where's my baby? Oh. Bless you. Bless you. Where is our cat? Is it eating right now? I cannot see. Where is our cat? Oh, there it is. Hey, I think you're, there's our cat. Can I take you for a minute? Oh my gosh, you're so adorable. I'll be right back, guys, when I get the cat. Actually, first, I'm gonna show you, what bed they're gonna be sleeping in. My new room. I already showed you a tour. What's up, my dudes? What's up? I'm just gonna put the kitten in the bed just for a quick minute. So, I'll see you guys when I get in the bed. Here is our kitten. It's so adorable. Oh my gosh. The pretty baby. So adorable, guys. Look at him. Can you fish me? Oh my gosh. Oh my. Okay. Alright, let's put him back in his little bed. Trying to get a close up. This is gonna be like it when he grows up. He's gonna like play with some yarn and stuff. But yeah. Oh my gosh. You're just pretty, aren't you? So cute. Sorry I couldn't show you much of the cat up close. He's still a newborn kind of, and I can't really hold him that much, but I'm allowed to hold him, but it's not long. I can't take him away from his mom that much. But I still will kind of show you them. Let's take a good look at him. Yeah. Oh, look at that one. It's kind of struggling. It's struggling. That's one that I'm gonna get. Coochie. Man, he's so adorable. It's so adorable. Yep, they're all getting milk. But that is going to be the end of the vlog about the cats and the kittens. And, yeah. I will see you guys in the next vlog or video. Typical Sauce signing out. Goodbye.